Les amis, 30 secondes. 30 secondes. Aïe. Ça y est, ça va commencer. Le premier Nintendo Direct de Nintendo de cette année 2026 qui est très attendu par beaucoup de monde. C'est parti, 17 secondes, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. C'est parti.
Peggy 18.
Peggy 18, déjà ça commence bien, on aime bien. Voilà, qu'on entende bien. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'ils vont nous annoncer ces Nintendo là? J'ai tellement hâte. Partenaire Showcase. Ah ouais, ça commence direct. Au confins de l'espace, une station de recherche est soudainement frappée par une tempête cosmique. 15 ans plus tard, ces survivants vivent en paix. Bon, attendez, c'est un peu trop fort. Mais la menace de nouvelles tempêtes cosmiques plane sur eux. Orbital, déjà. Orbital, déjà annoncé, ça. Un travail d'équipe est essentiel dans cette aventure en coop à deux. Vous aurez besoin d'outils pour survivre. L'attrapeur peut déplacer des plateformes pour vous créer un chemin. C'est vraiment Split Fiction, mais version orbitale, tout simplement. L'arroseur peut activer certains mécanismes et refroidir les surfaces brûlantes. Et le canon à rayon fait monter la température.
Use the tools together, and you might discover unexpected solutions to puzzles.
Bon, ça c'est pas mal, c'est déjà un très bon jeu.
You can encounter strange life forms, or opt for a detour and take a little travel break.
Game share en plus.
Two players can adventure together locally or online with one copy of the game. Can these two brave explorers save their home?
Orbital, en exclusivité sur Nintendo Switch 2 cet été. En exclusivité. Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue dans ce Nintendo Direct Partenaire Showcase. Dans cette présentation, nous concentrons sur les jeux édités et développés par nos partenaires à venir sur Nintendo Switch et Nintendo Switch. Ok, donc ça c'est l'exclusivité Switch 2. Ok, quelques titres. Quelques titres Nintendo Switch. Bienvenue à vous qui suivez, c'est un plaisir de faire vos connaissances. Oh bordel, c'est Professeur Layton.
In the waters of Issei Bay, on an island where legends of mermaids have been passed down, a tale of mysteries and
Bon, attends, c'est pas Professeur Layton.
the latest Paranorma Site mystery adventure is coming to Nintendo Switch. The story follows Yuza Minakuchi, a
Bon, c'est pas un jeu qui m'intéresse ça.
diver. One day, while gathering on the sea floor, he encounters another version of himself. This phenomenon is just the beginning.
Ouais, je me dis bien que ça ressemble au Professeur Layton.
Begin to plague the island. A girl with no memories, strangers searching for treasure, and a housewife investigating victims of drowning. Speaking to those involved is a natural part of the investigation, but you'll also need to search deep.
Est-ce que vous, ça vous intéresse des jeux comme ça?
As each of their motives intertwine, the story connects to the mermaid legend told centuries ago. Paranorma Site, The
Ouais.
Mermaid's Curse.
Mais on s'en fiche,
launches
c'est pas
on
des jeux
Nintendo
Switch 2.
Switch, February 19th. Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop. Battle for
Viser la gloire
World
mondiale. Oh, Inazuma Eleven? Non.
A new Captain Tsubasa
Captain
game is
Tsubasa.
making its way onto Nintendo Switch. Choose from a roster of over 110 characters representing 20
Encore un jeu de foot.
teams. Score with powerful shots from the original work, as well as newly added special moves that give passes, blocks, dribbles, and tackles a boost. Go on the offensive against elite competitors as you aim for victory. Gear up for sensational football action. When Captain
Ouais.
Tsubasa 2
Bah, ça m'intéresse pas.
Warriors launches on
Bon,
Nintendo
pourtant, j'aime bien la
Switch
série Captain
this
Tsubasa.
year.
Hein. Je vais pas mentir, mais bon, ça m'intéresse pas.
Next up,
Ah, voilà.
Nintendo Switch 2, including some games that will
Bon,
also
certains
be
seraient
available
qu'elle
on Nintendo Switch.
Ah, enfin.
A life or death fight for survival begins. It was a normal day until a cave-in befell the city of Tokyo. As
Tokyo
the dust
Scramble.
settles, our protagonist Anne discovers an underground world deep below the metropolis. But she's not alone. Creatures
des
called
monstres.
Xeno populate the unknown expanse.
Encore un survival horror.
If found by a Xeno, it's game over. Fighting is not an option, so quick thinking and decision making are vital to your survival.
Ouais, bah il y a Resident Evil Requiem qui le fait à
And
côté.
find the best route to make your escape.
Donc bon. Désolé Dino, mais
Activate traps in each area to
Ça va être
lure and
compliqué, hein.
ensnare any stalking Xeno. And by using GameShare, up to 4 players can share controls, including Anne's movement and camera adjustments. Whether locally or online, coordinating with your friends is key
ouais.
to making
Donnez-nous
it
d'autres jeux
live.
là. Pour l'instant, pas très convaincu là.
Survive the subterranean depths in Tokyo Scramble, launching exclusively on Nintendo Switch 2, February 11th. Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo
11 février, mais
Awaken your
vive la vie de Viking.
battle, build, and conquer in this massive survival game.
Valheim.
How you go about it is entirely up to you.
Oula, la version.
You could start by gathering materials around the woods. Fashion a bow and arrows to
Ouais, c'est la
hunt
version
wildlife
Switch là
for
qui nous montre là.
needles. With an axe, you can chop trees to build a house. Yikes! Don't get hit by falling trees.
Oh, la gueule du jeu.
Install beams, construct walls, make the roof, and even add a fireplace. Now you're safe, even from the cold. Wait, is this ventilated? Don't forget the chimney too. By upgrading your crafting stations, you can make items of higher quality. And once you've built a ship, set
Ouais, si on veut plus voir ça, nous.
to reach new lands and create even more strongholds. Plus, up to 10 players online can explore this vast world together. Now, go forth and survive in Valheim, launching on Nintendo Switch 2.
Ok, ouais, la version, je sais pas ce que c'était, mais
Find your way forward in these games. Return to the kingdom of Hallownest and fight back the infection in this upgraded modern classic.
ah, Nintendo Switch 2 édition Hollow Knight.
Slash through this 2D action adventure platformer, now with enhanced visuals and improved frame rates on Nintendo Switch 2. Equip charms to enhance your abilities and deal magic damage using upgradable spells.
The Witcher 3 en Nintendo Switch 2 édition.
Descend into a world of insects and heroes when Hollow Knight Nintendo Switch 2 edition launches on Nintendo Switch 2 later today. Nintendo Switch 2 players who have Hollow Knight on Nintendo Switch can upgrade to the Nintendo Switch 2 edition for free with the upgrade pack.
C'est une upgrade gratuite.
eFootball, reborn from Pro Evolution Soccer, is coming to Nintendo Switch 2.
Ouais.
Build out your club, sign legendary players, and compete in
Pour l'instant, on souffle, hein.
in World Tour mode. Join an exciting competition where national teams face off every 4 years in
On est à
the
combien de temps, là?
International Cup Tournament. Or play with friends
On est à 10
locally
minutes.
or online to prove who's at the top of their game. Experience the excitement of football and aim to be the best in the world when eFootball Kickoff launches on Nintendo Switch 2 this summer.
Wesh, la voix off, elle est heureuse, la voix off.
Travel
Ah,
through
Elliot.
ages in a brand new HD 2D action RPG. Explore the age of safekeeping, the hero Elliot's own time. The age of reconstruction.
Est-ce qu'on va voir la date, du coup?
Went extinct. The age of magic, a time when spells flourished. And the age of budding, the birth of human
Ah ouais.
civilization. In each age, the scenery and citizens of Elliot's hometown will change. You can also obtain some weapons and magic unique to certain time periods. A story spanning time.
Un résistant sur des millénaires va bientôt débuter. 18 juin 2026.
Launches on Nintendo Switch 2, June 18th.
Enfin une date. Ah, super.
With Super Bomberman games from the Super NES
Super
era.
Bomberman Collection.
Play the first Super Bomberman through to the culmination of the series, Super Bomberman 5, including titles previously unreleased worldwide. The Famicom versions of Bomberman and Bomberman 2 are also included. Plus, there's a brand new Boss Rush mode, as well as game share support.
Ouais. Ouais.
Super Bomberman Collection launches on Nintendo Switch 2 and Nintendo Switch.
Ah, c'est même pas une version Nintendo Switch Online. Oh bordel! Rebirth! Oh, let's go! Let's go!
In pursuit of his arch nemesis Sephiroth,
Combien? La date.
his comrades escape the city of Midgar and embark on a journey across the vast world.
Ah, il y a sa version Switch 2, ça? Non.
Chocobos.
Non, la dinguerie! Oh là là, je vais pouvoir faire le jeu! Oh là là!
Transportation. Team up with allies in battles.
Oh là là. Ouais, c'est la version Switch 2. Oh là là, Square Enix, vous mettez bien. La date.
If you'd like to focus on the story, there's also a boost function to make combat easier. You'll also find various activities scattered across the world, allowing you to take a break from the action. And as you interact with your allies, their affinity toward you will grow and impact how the story unfolds. What fate awaits Cloud and his crew in the
Let's
pursuit of
go! Rebirth.
Fantasy
Le 3 juin! Oh là là là!
Nintendo Switch 2, June 3rd. Pre-orders
Let's go! Oh là 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 là, le 3 juin 2026. Avril, mai, juin. Ah, ça va être banger, c'est mon jeu de juin déjà. Pragmata. Oh la dinguerie.
while investigating a lunar research station.
Ah, let's go. Il est déjà annoncé. Il y a déjà la date. J'ai bien fait de le faire. Hein.
With him is Diana, an android called a Pragmata.
There you are. All better.
Il y aura la démo là. Je pense qu'il nous affiche la démo.
Classified as unauthorized intruders, the two
Parce que la démo elle est sur PC mais on va pas pu la faire sur Switch 2.
sends enemy bots after them. These bots have near impenetrable armor,
I think I can help.
but with Diana's hacking skills, we can break down their defenses.
Initiating hack.
What the heck was that?
By moving the cursor through panels towards the green goal, you can hack the enemy bots.
There's no time to explain. Shoot now.
Once their weak points are exposed, fire away. Depending on the nodes you pass through, you can modify the damage and effects of a hack.
Ça a l'air d'être compliqué à jouer ça. Hein.
Each split-second decision can change the outcome of battle.
Energy levels.
What truths will the two find in this AI-controlled lunar station?
So it's not one of your pot buddies?
Overdrive
Ils vont nous dire des mots available today.
Yeah, baby. We did it. This is how we say good job.
And what will Diana learn on this journey? Pragmata launches on
Le 24 avril.
April 24th. A
Démo, voilà, je vous l'avais dit.
today on Nintendo
Il leaks puzzle et FPL. Leaks puzzle et FPL. Ouais. Salut Lunar, ça va quoi?
forward to fast-paced combat and exploration.
Moi pour la logique, c'est vrai. Yo, Lunar, ça va?
Let's continue with more headlines.
Ah, il nous annonçait Rebirth.
Journey to the Lost Lands.
Plongé dans les terres perdues.
Become a legendary Turok warrior in this intergalactic
Bah nickel hein.
action
Ça fait
shooter.
plaisir de te voir. Hein.
To stop an alien threat from destroying
Ouais, je reprends les lives
life,
petit à petit
you'll
là.
journey solo or with a team of warriors online and battle all sorts of primal creatures in ferocious
Je reprends les lives et écoute ce week-end ça va live.
Swap between first
Ah, faire de la
person
concurrence à
and
Diloom.
perspectives as you unleash weapons, melee attacks, and
On va jouer à
special
Dragon
abilities
Quest.
to devastate foes. Extract DNA from fallen enemies and the environment to upgrade your arsenal, evolve your mantle, and unlock
Ouais,
even
bon.
more abilities called Echo Syncs.
C'est pas un jeu que je jouerais ça.
Greater edge in combat.
Tu parles de quel jeu là?
As you venture across
De Rebirth. Moi je t'avoue que je l'ai jamais fait donc du coup
mysteries that ultimately hold
j'ai hâte de le faire.
to saving
Parce qu'il tournait pas sur mon PC. Rebirth, ouais je comprends, t'inquiète. Mais bon, moi après il y a plein de gens qui l'ont pas découvert. Hein. Dis-toi ça. Hein.
uncover the truth of Xanadu.
Il nous reste 18 minutes.
And where Kyoto is the capital, another world exists that's encroaching on our own. A world where monsters roam free.
C'est pas mais
A boy named Ray must use his newly awakened powers against
c'est pas Persona.
as he joins
Diloom il va être
Super
déçu.
Academy, a school for gifted students. The academy's goal? Conquer Xanadu, the great labyrinth rumored to be the origin of this other world.
C'est juste moche moi. Je comprends, bah c'est samedi soir avec Diloom là.
Shape the terrain to expand the range.
Là il y aura pas Smash ce soir. Enfin aujourd'hui c'est pas annoncé.
Take on dangerous enemies
Ce sera au prochain direct.
action RPG combat. Use your powers to overcome foes.
Ouais mais ce sera au prochain direct.
Improve
Enfin,
your stats.
t'auras une probabilité qu'il apparaisse dans le prochain direct. Il a pas dit que ça va arriver.
As you prepare to conquer Xanadu. The battle
Mais ouais, je sais très bien que tu veux Smash.
monster begins.
Et moi aussi je veux Smash en vrai. Parce que vous m'avez mis dedans quand même. Bon certes j'y joue moins que vous mais vous m'avez quand même mis dedans. Et j'ai quand même 55 heures sur le jeu. Hein. Dis-toi que c'est beaucoup. Pour moi qui joue pas beaucoup.
Check out these anime
Oh là il y a de l'animation dans ces jeux.
It's time to evolve in the latest Digimon story game.
Digimon Story ouais.
One day, a powerful blast causes the world to collapse.
Putain mais vous donnez des jeux rompiches là. Donnez-nous plus de jeux là.
450
Digimon, qui joue à Digimon?
Adventure through the human world and digital world to save the future.
Ouais franchement qui joue à Digimon?
And on Nintendo Switch 2, you can select quality mode,
Oh en 4K.
playing in 4K at 30 frames per second, or performance mode, playing in full HD at 60 frames per second. Digimon Story
Ah ouais, pour l'instant je suis désolé hein, c'est le mot rompiche hein.
2 and Nintendo Switch, July 10th.
Mais bon après c'est normal là, ça dure 30 minutes, il reste 10 minutes.
Nintendo eShop. An adventure set high in the sky is soaring in. Form your party from a roster of over 20 characters, each with their own fighting style.
Ouais pareil un jeu Un jeu qui m'intéresse pas pour l'instant, il y a eu Rebirth,
and summon mighty primal beasts to vanquish.
Rebirth, Pragmata.
You can also team up in local or online multiplayer.
Je comprends, mais j'irai pas à ce point-là, je suis un peu trop fan de Nintendo pour dire ça. Je pourrais pas aller jusqu'à ce point-là, Lina, malheureusement.
And Blue Fantasy
Je me voile de la face, malheureusement.
on Nintendo Switch 2, July 9th.
Ah, Monster Hunter Story 3.
The latest Monster Hunter Stories game
Ça aurait pu nous mettre
is
Monster Hunter
flying in.
Wild là.
Your monster allies, called Monsties, can learn special abilities through a ceremony called the Rite of Channeling. Raise your Monsties as you travel the world. The lands lie on the brink of disaster. Monsters
Il se passe match. Calmons-nous.
and the riders trying to save the world will have to contend with an even greater threat. Monster Hunter Stories
13 mars 2026.
Collection soars onto Nintendo Switch 2, March 13th.
Ouais, mais quand même, c'est pas grave, passons au bon moment. Essaye de profiter de ces annonces quand même.
Nintendo eShop. Save data can be transferred to the full game.
Ah, il y aura une démo.
New titles are
Oh,
joining
putain.
the archives.
J'adore les jeux de course, mes frères.
Namco in 1995 speeds into the arcade archives 2 lineup.
On souffle.
Aim for first place in a race against your
Enfin, tu peux
rivals.
rester, hein, ça fait plaisir quand même. Hein.
And get
T'inquiète
ready
pas,
for
hein.
a new line
Tu seras pas
of
ban. Hein.
console
Tu peux dire que t'aimes.
titles.
Tu peux dire que t'aimes pas, au contraire. Hein.
Archives is on the way.
D'ailleurs, t'aimes bien Dragon Quest ou pas juste? Petite question.
Sonic Wings Special.
Ouais, on est en 2002 là ou quoi là? C'est le 3 2002 là?
Released over time. The first wave of console archives
J'aime les
titles
RPG.
includes Cool Borders.
Est-ce que tu le considères comme un bon RPG? Parce que je vais faire en marathon Dragon Quest 7 reimaginé. Enfin, en marathon, je vais pas faire tout le jeu, mais.
These titles will be available on Nintendo Switch 2.
Ouais, ouais. Et bah, merci, mais pas merci. Oh, WE. Ok. Ils nous ont quand même annoncé Orbital, c'est déjà pas mal. Animal, ouais, ça on sait déjà. W2K26 avait leak. Star Trek, ouais. On dort, hein. En vrai, j'y vais, bonne journée. Bah, merci d'être passé, ça m'a fait extrêmement plaisir. Lycée Dreamlight Valley, ok. PGA 2K 2025. Oh, God Simulator 3. Mais en vrai, on s'en fout. Hein. Sur des tacticales. Bon, vas-y, donnez-nous un gros jeu là. Bon, après, ils ont annoncé Rebirth. Moi, c'était tout ce que je voulais. Ah, pas de jeu Xbox.
We found another body. I need your eyes on the crime scene.
Démo disponible.
When a string of mysterious deaths occurs across America, FBI analyst Grace Ashcroft is captured by the suspect while in.
Ouais, on connaît déjà.
In her attempt to escape, Grace comes up against unknown threats. A limited supply of healing items and ammunition are at her disposal. Will she confront the threats head on, or save her ammo for the next encounter? For Grace, impending doom is always close at hand. Meanwhile, another agent working for an anti-bioterrorism organization is also on the case.
Léon Kennedy.
S. Kennedy.
Bah, ça on le savait. Hein.
City Hall, dead from the same thing.
With his physical prowess, Leon can parry an opponent's attack, then strike to break the stunned opponent's stance in close quarters combat. He can fire from a distance using handguns and rifles, or use an enemy's weapon against them. Leon has a varied arsenal of attacks at his disposal. This game features both third-person and first-person
Ah, tu peux jouer. Ah,
and you can change your perspective at any time.
ah, ça c'est pas mal ça.
There are multiple difficulty options available, including a mode for less experienced players that features aim assist.
Démo disponible dans la journée.
She attempts to escape unprecedented terrors, and Leon, who relies on strength to carve his own path. What will they discover when their fates intertwine? Resident Evil Requiem launches on Nintendo Switch 2, February 27th. Pre-orders are available now on Nintendo eShop. Resident Evil 7 Biohazard and Resident Evil Village will also be available.
Ouais, on sait déjà ça.
Horror-filled excitement awaits, whether you play these games or Resident Evil Requiem first. Plus, a Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller featuring original art is releasing alongside the games. Amiibo figures of Grace and Leon will also be
Oh, Amiibo de Théon. Oh, il est pas beau. Hein.
You can scan them to receive in-game weapon skins. Resident Evil Requiem, the latest entry in the Resident Evil series, is launching later this month.
Là, il y a un créateur voice qui sort.
You can also look forward to a creator's voice video featuring a member of the Resident Evil Requiem development team. The video will release in the near future. Next is our last announcement.
Allez,
Hey everybody from all
Bethesda.
at Bethesda Game Studios. If you're like us, Nintendo has meant so much to you.
Ils vont nous annoncer
from the
Fallout.
early days of gaming to now. It was incredible for us to partner on the original Switch, and it was just such a great piece of hardware and also so personal when you play. We're excited to finally bring a number of our
Plusieurs.
franchises for the first time to Nintendo. We hope you all enjoy the journey.
Fallout, let's go. Bon, c'est pas mal en vrai. C'est pas mal que ça tourne.
Anniversary Edition is emerging on Nintendo Switch 2. Scavenge, shoot, build, and create alliances as you reshape the wasteland and what remains of civilization. Every choice matters. Fancy yourself a smooth talker or pining to pump up your power armor? Choose from hundreds of perks that fit your playstyle. Every road leads somewhere new, from the heart of Diamond City to the shadowy corners of forgotten vaults. The Commonwealth is packed with stories waiting to be uncovered. In addition to the base game, experience 6 official expansions and over 150 Creation Club items to expand your adventure. Grab your Pip-Boy and traverse the wasteland in Fallout 4 and
24 février.
launching on Nintendo Switch 2
Ah oui.
February 24th. Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop. The year is 1937.
Ah,
Sinister forces
Indiana
fight
Jones.
for an ancient power, and only one person can stop them.
Watch me.
Embark on a globe-trotting cinematic adventure in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. Set between the events of Raiders of the Lost Ark and the Last Crusade, Indy will journey around the world to uncover the mystery behind the Great Circle. From the pyramids of Giza to the sunken temples of Sukhothai and beyond, use your wits to infiltrate historic areas and solve fiendish puzzles. or use your whip to face off against dangerous foes and explore a world full of daring escapes and unforgettable
Ah, ça j'ai hâte d'y jouer.
Adventure calls when Indiana Jones and the Great
12 mai 2026.
on Nintendo Switch 2.
Eh ben, il y a plein de jeux, mais
Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop. Explore the vast landscape
Oblivion.
of Cyrodiil in the Elder Scrolls
Mais wesh.
Oblivion Remastered. Experience this renowned open-world RPG now on a Nintendo console for the first time. Freely customize your character to match your playstyle. Then adventure amongst an unforgettable cast of characters
By the grace of the gods I served.
Oblivion sur Switch 2.
and fight back the Daedra to close shut the jaws of Oblivion. Master ranged or melee weapons. Wield powerful magic or use stealth skills to best your foes. In this remastered version, character models, weapons, even rocks and sweet rolls have all been meticulously recreated. Combat animations have also been updated to give them a modernized touch. Plus, the Shivering Isles and Knights of the Nine expansions are included alongside the main story to take your adventure even further. Step through the gates once more when The Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion Remastered launches on
2026.
Nintendo Switch 2 this year.
Bon, Bethesda s'empare
These games from Bethesda
Bethesda
Software.
s'empare de la Switch 2.
That's all for today's Nintendo Direct Partner Showcase. Thank you for watching.
Bon bah voilà, c'était bien. Bon, il y a des jeux qui sont vraiment moches, hein. Ah, il y a Reapers, ah la dinguerie. Bon les mecs, j'espère que ce live vous aura plu. J'espère que ce live vous aura plu, c'était un plaisir de l'avoir fait. Je vous souhaite à tous une bonne journée. Reposez-vous bien et on se dit à ce week-end pour le prochain live. Allez, ciao.